time it is.
Give me the green light. Oh, yeah. Cause I'm ready to go. Let's have a good time. Let's go. What you waiting for? You only got one life. One life. And we gon' live it up. So give me the green light. Give it to me. Cause I'm ready to go.
Shout out to the Storm Lake Tornado football team. Guys, it's been a great year. We're all proud of you. You make the whole school, community, and everybody so excited to watch you guys play. Best of luck in the playoffs, and let's go Tornadoes.
Hey guys, Bree here. I want to say congratulations on a wonderful season. You have been so fun to watch every Friday night, and I look forward to it. Keep the momentum going against Glenwood and dominate them. Go Tornadoes!
Hi, this is Brad Jones congratulating the Storm Lake Tornadoes on a great 2016 football season. Now's the time to stay focused on the task ahead and complete the season on a high note. Go Tornadoes!
The BVU football team and staff would like to say congratulations on a 9-0 season, district championship, and wish you nothing but the best as you head into the playoffs. Go get them.
The Tornadoes. First playoff game this Friday night. Be there.
Go Big Green! Go Big Green! Go Big Green!
Congrats on the undefeated season, boys. Good luck in the playoffs. Beat Glenwood, and I'll see you in the Dome.
Hey, what's up, fellas? This is KD. I'm out here in Birmingham, Alabama right now for a big game, but my thoughts and prayers with you guys. Y'all got the opportunity to do something real special, man. Y'all been working your asses off. Coach been doing a hell of a job. And now you're seeing the fruits of your labor. Like, this is crazy. Like, people are so proud of Good Tornado. Like, I'm proud of what you guys are doing. Now you just got to take it up to the next level. Now you just got to play your asses off, play for each other, and just trust your preparation. If y'all do that, I know you can be victorious. Go Tornadoes.
Hey guys, I just want to let all of you guys know how great of an accomplishment that you guys all get to be a part of. You guys all, as a team, have been going week to week, proving people wrong of what their idea of Storm Lake football was and showing them what it is now. You guys are for real and will go out and play anyone week to week, no matter what the team is. You guys have done such a great job so far, and I know you guys are far from being done. So just go out there every week, just plan on going 1-0, and pretty sure in a couple weeks I'll be seeing you guys in the Dome. Best of luck. Keep doing what you're doing. Ball out. See you guys later.
Congratulations, Tornado football team. You've been fun to watch, and I really appreciate the fact of how great a kid you are, in addition to great football players. Thanks for drawing the community together. It's been fun to come and watch football games, and I look forward to watching a lot more of them. Good luck into the playoffs. Thank you.
Hey, Storm Lake Tornadoes. It's Ronnie Duque coming at you from Jeremy's room in Iowa City. Just wanted to congratulate you guys on an amazing season. The hard work you guys have put in the offseason and throughout the year is showing, and the whole community is proud of what you guys have accomplished. But don't settle for an undefeated season. Go out and fight for more. Go out and show everyone else why Storm Lake football is on the rise. You guys are an exciting team to watch, and don't forget to have fun. High school football was one of the greatest things in my life, and today, as I'm making this video, I wish I could be playing again. But most importantly, don't let your brothers on the field down. Fight for every little yard and hustle on every single play, because your teammates and coaches are counting on you, and you never know when something might be coming your way on the field. Good luck, boys, and remember you have the support of every single Storm Lake fan, including the one and only career ender.
What's up, Tornadoes? I'd just like to give you guys a special shout out for being the first team in history to make the state playoffs. You're making everybody proud, and you're bringing the community together. Keep it up, boys. Best of luck.
Congrats on an outstanding season, guys, on a district title and on energizing your community. It's been fun to watch you guys since camp. Best of luck in the playoffs, and have fun.
9-0. District champs, state playoffs. Beat Glenwood. Go Tornadoes!
I'm waiting patiently for next Friday night. I can't wait to see you kids beat that team all to pieces. Good luck. You guys have made my 101st year the best year of my life. I just can't wait for Friday night.
Mr. Weeks' homeroom.
We'd like to nominate Mr. Week for president.
Hey boys, Chase coming at you from Ames. Yeah, congratulations on the 9-0 season.
You guys have put a lot of hard work in, I know, helping you guys out this summer. Fullbacks, keep doing your job. You guys are doing great. Yeah, congratulations again. But now the fun starts. Glenwood coming up. You guys are 9-0. Now you're 0-0. Start fresh. Be hungry. Whatever happened now. You guys made history. Good. Now go make a name for yourselves. Be great. These memories last a lifetime. Me and my buddies still talk about it, and that was 3 or 4 years ago. Yeah, go get them. Be great. Have a day. Good luck.
Hey, Tornadoes. Dan Richardson, class of 75. Thank you for your hard work to bring pride back to Storm Lake football. We're not done. Take us to the Dome. Go Tornadoes.
Hey guys, congratulations on a great season. It's been fun to watch all the way through. You guys have done a great job of approaching it week by week, and I know you'll continue to do that as we move into the playoffs. I've been waiting for the playoffs for 26 years here at Storm Lake, so I couldn't be prouder of the things you guys have accomplished together as a team, and I look forward to those wins continuing as we move on into the postseason. So keep it up. Good job.
Hey, Storm Lake football team, it's Chris Bachman. Want to take a moment right here to wish you the best of luck Friday night. Congratulations on the perfect regular season. Let's not let this thing end anytime soon. Good luck Friday against Glenwood and the rest of the way, guys. Let's make it happen. Best of luck, and we'll see you Friday night.
After they scored to go up 14, we brought them in and talked to them and just said, okay, here's the deal, fellas. We're going to win this game. And they had to believe that. If they didn't believe it, then that wouldn't have happened. And it's really just amazing, the kind of things that we're capable of when we've got guys that really buy in and believe.
We have some big play capability. Yes, it's been a struggle here for most of the game, but we still have plenty of time left and a talented group of young men. 28-14, Sergeant Bluff Luton. In motion, Werge receives the handoff, has blockers in front. 10-5, touchdown! Josh Werge is in the end zone. There's a two-play, 52-yard touchdown drive. Green and white, extra point away from pulling within 7. Fumble, Storm Lake might be on top of it. 3 green jerseys right around that fumble football, and it's tornado ball! Tornado football!
Don't stop believing.
Parker Lang is going to score! Touchdown, Storm Lake! 4th and 10. Kroll back to pass, pressure hit as he throws, and it's incomplete. Tornado football. Tied at 28. Nearing the 2-minute mark left to play in the 4th quarter. DeMars in the pistol formation with Hoops in the backfield. Werge in motion, fake the handoff. Michael rolling right. Now steps, throw back. Josh wide open. Caught. 40, 30. Josh Werge 20 to the 15-10. Touchdown! Tornado touchdown! Michael DeMars found Josh Werge all by his lonesome.
This place is going crazy.
Well, Kevin Zayabong may have sealed the deal with his 3rd interception of the football game, and the Storm Lake Tornadoes, with 1:14 left to go, lead by 7.
This place is going crazy.
This crowd is what makes Storm Lake football. This is the most amazing thing I've ever played for in my life.
This place is going crazy.
Crazy thing. It's awesome to see this community come together just for this football team, and we're just happy to be able to wear Storm Lake on their chest and play for them. It's a great experience.
Don't stop believing.
Storm Lake football team, first ever district championship, first ever 9-win season, first ever playoff berth, and their first playoff game Friday night versus Glenwood at 7 o'clock. Broadcast on 92.9 KKIA and online at stormlakeradio.com.
Champs!